Welcome to a new video, you guys. A modification, of course. Something we've we've waited a little bit, a little long to do this one, but I'm finally getting to it because I'm realizing now that it's something that really needs to be done if I don't want to be pulled over everywhere I go. So, as you guys know, in New Hampshire, you need a front plate. I'm an anti-plate believer. I don't believe in the front plate. I think it looks ugly. I think it takes away from some of that natural beauty. So what I decided to do, some research online. I'm not drilling holes in the bumper. We're completely not doing that. That's just not a possibility. And I'm not a huge fan of tow hook mounts, which would have gone right there. So I was thinking, you know what, let's look up something new. And I found this bracket, which hopefully works. Because it advertises that it works for pre-facelift and facelift, so I guess we'll find out if what the actual dealio is there. But ideally, I think it goes right there, and then I'll be legal, and I won't get pulled over. But guys, I just want for whatever police department is watching right now, because I know, you know, some of them do check in, ask me how I know. This is not me backing down. I'm only joking. But no, I really don't like getting pulled over, so that's why I'm getting... I spent 100 beans on this, but we'll see what the situation is and the overall quality, and we'll just throw it on the car, see what it looks like. Alright, so this is everything we got. This is what kind of concerns me the most, because I think there's a pretty significant difference between the grills, but again, I really don't know how this mounts. I know it goes like here, so... yeah, but the reason why I did this one is because I've dealt with the tow hook and just readjusting and adjusting it just sucks. That's a loosey-goosey. We also have full paint protection film going on the front of this car. I don't know if you guys want to see that video. I don't know if I'm going to make that video because I'm not going to lie, there's going to be a lot of profanity. This type of thing is right up my alley. I mean, I think anyone can do this, so, well, I guess we'll find out, but, alright, so, this is what we're dealing with. We got more of these. Nice. We also have, oh, that's a nice Golf R. I'm gonna clean this up and then we'll throw on these little vinyl black pieces to protect the grill. But the instructions, this is a very tricky part. If I screw this up, man, it's gonna be quite the ordeal. Alright, so first piece of black vinyl. The mission and the goal is to go with no bubbles. It's like it was never there. And then of course for the bottom one we get bubbles. I know you guys probably can't even see it, but this is how New England Pete does his installations. With your hand in this grill opening move, place the plate into position. Okay, so if I drop it, it's gonna get kind of stuck in there, huh? That'd be kind of a stinker. Oh, well, how do you do? Are you guys ready? Boom! Just like that, guys, we have it, she's on there. I don't want to say for good, but she's on there for a little while. I realized I just hate getting pulled over. My excuse is the same as always, you know, blah blah blah, it's in the mail, it'll be here. I ordered it last week, and it came pretty quickly. And it actually came really quickly. I was pretty happy with shipping time. So that's what it looks like, guys. And as far as kind of durability, we'll find out. But as far as, I don't think that's going to go anywhere. And I'm going to do a little modification to this vinyl. I think I'm going to cut some of these edges, or maybe just trim them up a little bit, because they do show. This one's bubbly. And you guys can kind of maybe see the edges. I don't know. Maybe not. But anyway. So overall, the quality's pretty okay. It's all, you know, plastic, and you're drilling metal into plastic, so the whole time you feel like you're just stripping it. But realistically, I don't think it's threaded, so you're pretty much just threading the plastic. So you kind of have to make sure you kind of get it in there. I don't know if I'd use power tools. Maybe I would, maybe I wouldn't. But I did it all by hand, and everything seems pretty firm. But yeah, aside from that, it looks definitely, you know what, it's not that bad. I think as far as, you know, front plates goes, this is probably the best option that you can get as far as kind of concealing it, kind of, you know, at least sort of, you know, without drilling holes, you know, that's sort of what we want to do. I know a lot of people put it in the windshield, but even with doing that, you're still gonna have some issues. So this is what we're gonna do for now. And if you guys are wondering, again, the name of the company is Legit Speed Designs. This was not a sponsored video, but it would be certainly groovy if it was. But anyway, it's a pretty decent product. I think $100 is pretty steep for what I think. If this was sold at like 50, that'd be pretty competitive. Because there's just tow hook mounts for like 20. Sure, they suck. They're very, very low quality, but this is low quality. It's just, I think, I guess I like the way it's packaged. Obviously there are rubber bumpers, so it won't really scratch up your grill. And I think overall, you know, no one really makes anything like it, so it kind of explains why it's priced where it's at. But anyway, we're legal, guys. Don't have to worry about the pesky pullover here and there. So I'll leave it at that. But I do appreciate you guys for staying tuned and following the build, and stay tuned for more videos. We have some really cool things in the works. But I'll leave it at that, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.